Shabbat Smart wastewater pump. This is a setup with a twin pump and a twin float. So here we look at the sump. We have a primary pump and a backup pump, where the primary pump has two floats. A float to indicate high level and a float to indicate low level. The backup pump has a single float. Let's have a look now at the connections on the Shabbat Smart controller. On the bottom right, we can see the float connections. The two floats for the primary pump are connected. The high one to high and common, the low one to low and common. The right backup pump is connected right over here as a high or not high. Weekday Shabbat mode switch connects over here. When the contact is closed, it's in weekday mode. When the contact is open, it's Shabbat mode. Here on the bottom left, we have the power supply connection. We supply with a unit a 9-volt DC power supply. Here we have the two relays. The left relay is a primary pump operation, and the right relay will be the backup alarm operation. The primary pump has live coming in to the common. When the relay is triggered, it's leaving through the normally open connection, picking up the neutral and the earth through the cable to the pump. When the float activates high level, the pump will start. Deactivates low level, the pump will stop. The second relay on the right will operate the backup pump. So whenever the high level float triggers the input over here, it will trigger on a weekday the right backup pump, and you can also connect an alarm to the same connection so the users know that the backup pump had to operate. That means there's some issue with the sump. Unless if it's an arrangement where there is a lot of water coming at once normally into the sump and you require two pumps to operate at the same time, this is very rare setup. So this is the Shabbat Smart wastewater pump controller when you have a twin pump and the primary pump has two floats. Thank you for watching.